Hello. I don't want you to shout, so that's why I've just put this paper just to prepare your mind because I don't want you going, what is she up to? What is that? Okay. So are you ready? After the count of three, I'm going to take the paper off, okay? And show you how I take off my peel off mask, okay? So one, are you ready? Two, you ready? Three. That's why I had to, because you can imagine somebody turning on your video and this is what they see, it's scary, it's a bit weird, but yeah. I done a previous video where I showed you how to use the peeling gel, okay, for exfoliating dead skin cells, okay, and I done it, rinsed off my face. You could see the dead skin falling off, this is very, very effective, okay. And I finished using it, rinsed my face, okay, and I promised I was going to do the last stage. I didn't want to show the last stage, but hey, why not, okay? Because some people come to my channel purposely to watch how to use all this beautiful organic natural products, so why not, okay? Since I've managed to put there's actually 4 stages in this pampering session. Okay, the kit itself is called the evening set. Um, my head is full. Don't blame me, guys. So now it contains 4 different tubes like this. Okay, the very first stage is the deep cleanser. Okay, the deep cleanser, you put that on, and after a few like a minute, basically, by the time you're even rubbing it on your face, you would have gone over a minute anyway. So rub it on your face. I use this face pad, this beauty pads, cotton pads. So I put some on it and I use it, rub it. You'll be amazed what comes on this. You see some real brownish, dirty, all that stuff you picked out during the day and all that. So that's why it's called a deep cleanser. It actually goes to the second, third layer of your skin, to actually pull out those dirts. Okay, so this is so good. The deep cleanser. So when you finish with the deep cleanser, you go to the foam cleanser. As the name implies, it's like a foam. It when you just a little does a lot with this one. Okay, so this will last and last and last, because when you put a little on your hand, just add some water to it. I did it in my previous demo. Okay, so if you watch some of my videos down the page, you will definitely see this. Okay, how I done it. So you put a little in your hand and pour some water, and just once you put water, it just like water gives it life, and then you can spread it all over your face, and then you have a kind of whitish, not really foamy, but it's whitish, and you just rub it. So what I do is I rub it for like 5 minutes. I just keep rubbing, and then I wash off with water. Okay, when you finish with the foam cleanser, you now come to the peeling gel, where we now actually exfoliate all our dead skin cells. Okay, some of you don't know we have dead skin cells. Some of you pile layers and layers of dead skin cells. You don't know you're doing your skin no good. Your pores become clogged up, and you know what that means. So when you start having certain things on your skin conditions and all that, it's as a result of this. So please take out time. I'm a very busy person. If I can have time to pamper my skin, give my face the beauty routine that it needs, okay, I don't see why you can't. Trust me, I am busy. Now this is the peeling gel. Okay, you must have watched the previous video I did with that. Now this is the one on my face, which is the last stage of this pampering session. This is the peel off mask. I have left it on my face now. Usually 20-25 minutes should do it, but I have left my own for over 40 minutes now, because I had to go nibble on my son's breakfast. He was having something to eat, and I loved it. I was going, oh, I want to nibble on it. So you can see I've got some food stain there, yeah. And I had to nibble on his breakfast, and so that's why I've gone like up to 40 minutes on this one. And you can see it's already falling off by itself, because when it dries, it just becomes a mask, as the name implies, peel off mask. So when it's dried up like that, it becomes a mask and it falls off. So I had to do this video again because it's good to actually show people how to take it off. Some people don't even know how to take it off, So this is the easiest way to take this off, okay? Once it dries out, see, it's very dry now. I can do whatever I like with it. It's so dry, I have even left it like longer than necessary, okay? And I told you why. But so when you want to take it off, you just go like that, see? Because it's dry. It's already a mask, So you pull it off. What this does is gives you firmness and elasticity. It's like the final icing on the cake in this pampering session. Do you see? So as you're pulling it, it's just coming off, isn't it? Okay, see? Yeah. You see, it's just coming off by itself. So good. Look, guys, look, it's just coming off. I hope I didn't put it on my edges. Don't take off my edges. That's it, guys. Look, guys, and it gives you the shape of your face, your nose, mouth, like a small mask there. See. It just comes off. Isn't that magic? From a wet, and it just comes off like this. This is beautiful. And what this does just gives you that final firmness and elasticity to your skin. It's so good. So what I do is, obviously you get some loose particles. So what I do is I just go wash my face, all right? Wash my face, and then I come use the spot out cream, which I showed you earlier. This is the spot out cream, okay? Which I showed you earlier. Now off. Yeah, okay. And then got some here. But I'll just go rinse off now. Look at my skin. This is so good, guys. I always see the difference after using it. This is so good. Okay, this is so good. So obviously that goes into the bin, and then I use my spot out cream. This is it. Smells so good. Typical of all Atomy beauty products. Look at it. I've started using. I've almost finished it, so I need another one now. Look, it's a spot out cream. This will help you to take out dark patches. It will uneven skin tone, basically. Even out your skin tone and give you that lovely glow that you should have. That's why sometimes after when I put it on and I come and I dress up and people are, what do you use? What do you put on your face? These are the kind of routine I go through, because nothing good, they say, comes easy like that, Even with beauty, you need to invest, you need to put time into it, And these are natural products. I don't use chemicals. These are organic. These are pure natural, made from pure natural ingredients, okay? All right, all our beauty products made from pure natural ingredients. So they do not harm your skin. They do not damage your skin. Okay, they do not hurt your skin. They do not react with your skin. Okay, so this is a good routine to have. I use it twice a week. Sometimes if I have time, I can do 3 times a week. This whole routine I've just showed you. I can do it twice or sometimes 3 times a week, as time will permit me. But it's a lovely one to have. Okay, so I'm just going to wash my face. All right. I got some here too. I'm going to wash my face and then I'll come use my spot out cream. If you don't have the spot out cream, you can use your nutrition cream from your Fame set, okay? Those of you who know the Fame set, or you can use your lotion and nutrition cream as well from your Absolute Cell Active skincare range. If you want to know more about our beauty products, please send me a DM, all right? We have loads of natural organic beauty products, okay? Products that won't hurt your skin, products that will not damage your skin, all right? That will nourish your skin, okay? And give you that lovely, nice, healthy skin tone and glow, all right? So I'm gonna just wash up that and use this. I just thought, why not show them how I take off my mask? So that's the Atomy peel off mask. If you want it, okay, feel free, send me a DM. My details will be in the comment section as I always do. So please send me a DM. All right, it's the evening care set. Okay, all right, love you.